Hi guys, I'm back with another room tour. This time I'm at the Revery Hotel in downtown Toronto. It's formerly a Hilton Garden Inn, but it's been renovated and name changed. So I'm in a classic king room, so let me show you around. I'm going to start over here by the front door. You have one of these open closet spaces again. And up here in the top drawer, you have your safe and some additional drawer space underneath. Got your coffee maker. And here are your coffee accessories. And I'm assuming this is a fridge. Let's see. Yes, a pull-out drawer fridge. I've never seen one of these in a hotel room. So swinging back around, on the right side of the front door is the bathroom. And it has a sliding barn door, which I don't really care for because they're not that private as far as sounds, but it's fine. Bathroom is a bit small. What it'll do, nice big LED mirror. You've got a body wash and hand wash, and then a walk-in shower. No bathtub shower combo, you know I like that. Rainfall shower head. Pretty standard. And this is the room. I'm not sure what size TV this is, but this is big as well. And there's a chair down here. An interesting and unique little chair. So you can use this space as a desk. Got a little lamp here. And you've got drawer space on each side of the bed. All of your charging ports, outlets, and these are all of the controls on the wall for the TV, the mirror, the bathroom, closet. And then you've got another nice big full-size LED mirror here so you can see yourself when you're getting dressed. And then you have a sitting area and a couch. I actually just went downstairs and had them change my room because the first room they gave me had an adjoining door and I could clearly hear the people in the room next door, and I did not like that. So I asked them to change me to a room that did not have an adjoining door. They said not all of the king rooms have an adjoining door, so I did ask them to switch me. But this is the room. It's pretty basic. I'm not even going to bother to show you the view because it's a view of nothing, just the back of buildings and the roof. But this is the new or remodeled Hilton Garden Inn called the Revery in downtown Toronto. It was fairly reasonable for the holiday weekend compared to other hotels. So if you're looking for a deal in Toronto, you might want to check out this hotel. The jury's still out, but stay tuned. Thanks for watching.